So, all going everybody. we're rebuild we begin the rebuild at the head. We're gonna disassemble it. We're in the living room right now, and yeah, we don't really know what we're getting to. As it is right now, we can't really get no insight on this one. We just go dive in it. You know what I mean? Head first. Remember over there say one of the bolt them did strangely already undone. Yeah, that's interesting. We're gonna find out what's going on with that. But yeah, we have the breaker bar. We just all get started. Alright, everybody, we're about to call it a night. But good news, we have the rack assembly off. We have the cam out, and yeah, now we just have the spark plugs, the valve springs, the valve themselves, and we can't really show what else right now. Oh yeah, the studs on both sides, yeah. But yeah, the head almost fully disassembled, and next step is porting, and then porting and polishing, obviously, and then cleaning up. And I don't think the head are gonna need to get resurfaced. It look like in pretty good condition, but we'll see still. You know what I mean? When we show the experts and hear what them have to say. But all in all, a productive night. You know what I mean? So catch you guys next time. Peace.